Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A miniature greenhouse is designed for those with limited space, providing an ideal solution for growing fresh produce and herbs indoors. This video explores practical and stylish designs that seamlessly integrate with the aesthetic of a tiny home. Limited space in tiny homes presents a challenge for gardening. Traditional greenhouses are often too large and impractical for this lifestyle, introducing the concept of mini greenhouses as a perfect solution. Showcase aesthetically pleasing and functional designs that blend seamlessly with tiny home aesthetics. Highlight the use of recycled materials like repurposed wooden crates and glass jars. Focus on maximizing vertical space through tiered shelving and wall-mounted planters. Provide a step-by-step guide for building a simple mini greenhouse using readily available materials. Demonstrate techniques for maximizing light penetration using transparent materials. Discuss the importance of selecting appropriate soil and lighting options for optimal plant growth. Share expert advice on maximizing yield in a limited space. Provide practical tips on managing moisture levels and preventing pests in a closed environment. Recommend suitable herbs and vegetables that thrive in a mini greenhouse setting. Emphasize the benefits of growing your own produce, such as fresh, nutritious food. Highlight the therapeutic and stress-reducing effects of gardening. Showcase the impact on reducing food waste and fostering sustainability. A modern, minimalist, and naturally lit triangular house nestled within a lush green forest. Hyper-realistic rendering. The architecture showcases a glass-enclosed interior with exposed wooden beams and floor-to-ceiling windows. Multiple levels are visible, each with its own distinct function: a living area with a comfortable sofa, a kitchen area, a bedroom with a bed, and a study area. The upper levels have planted green areas on balconies, and vertical greenery cascades down alongside the transparent walls. Warm, neutral colors dominate the interior: light beige, light brown, and natural wood tones. The exterior is surrounded by a dense green foliage, creating a strong contrast with the house's sharp lines and glass walls. A circular, glass-walled greenhouse, nestled in a garden setting, showcasing a variety of plants. The greenhouse is composed of curved, transparent glass panels, framed by dark gray metal. Inside, various herbs, ferns, and other greenery flourish across multiple wooden shelves. Small fish swim in a clear aquarium tank housed within the greenhouse. Potted plants in terracotta pots are visible throughout the greenhouse. The outdoor setting includes a variety of greenery, a wooden deck, and a small pond. The scene is bathed in soft, ambient light and appears slightly misty. The overall impression is tranquil and peaceful. The image has a hyper-realistic aesthetic, with detailed textures of the plants and materials. A modern, glass-enclosed greenhouse nestled amidst lush, tropical foliage. Hyper-realistic rendering. A curved glass roof extends over a structure with multiple levels of potted plants and greenery, creating a vertical garden aesthetic. The interior of the greenhouse is lit with warm, ambient lighting, highlighting the plants. The structure has dark gray/black metal frames and supports, contrasting with the warm, light brown wood paneling of the interior. A dark gray/blue sectional sofa and a round, black coffee table are positioned on a wooden deck area outside the greenhouse in front of the entrance. Small, warm, soft glow lights are strategically placed near the plants and furniture. A vibrant, hyper-realistic indoor garden and produce market. Wooden shelving units, dark metal frames, filled with various plants and fresh produce. Rows of potted herbs, leafy greens, tomatoes, peppers, and other vegetables are displayed in terracotta pots and jars. A rustic, wooden countertop runs along the bottom, with some citrus fruits. The window wall allows natural light to flood the space, illuminating the greenery and produce beautifully. The color palette is rich with greens, reds, and oranges from the produce, with warm browns from the wood and terracotta pots. A spacious, light-filled Japanese-style pavilion with sliding screens, a Zen garden, and a tranquil interior space. Hyper-realistic, impressionistic style. Warm, natural light streaming through the shoji screens onto the wood deck and Zen garden. Muted tones of browns, grays, beiges, and greens. Wooden deck flooring, dark gray metal framing, and light beige/off-white shoji screens. Various sizes and shapes of rocks of gray and dark gray in the Zen garden, with moss and small plants. A small pond in the garden with placid water, reflecting the sky and surrounding greenery. A bonsai tree in a dark gray pot within the pavilion, visible through shoji screens. A spacious, sun-drenched, glass-roofed sunroom. Curved glass walls showcase a lush, verdant forest setting outside. The interior is a blend of rustic and modern styles. The wooden walls, floors, and furniture are a warm, natural tone, with variations in shades of brown, tan, and gray. Beige sectional sofa with various patterned throw pillows curves around a large, rustic wooden dining table with wooden chairs. The rug under the furniture is newspaper-style patterned, blending the natural style. Plants, including ferns and succulents, are strategically placed throughout the room. Two hanging pendant lights are ornately detailed in warm orange-yellow. A modern, glass-walled, tiny house, or glamping pod, with a curved, arched roof and large glass windows. The interior is a warm, minimalist style, with light-colored wood floors and accents, a kitchenette and dining area, a small living space with a gray-toned couch, and plants. The exteriors exhibits various plants and flower boxes. The glass walls are framed by dark gray metal. The exterior space is a light gray tiled patio or deck, with bamboo trees as a backdrop. The surrounding trees and bamboo are lush, generating a calming, tranquil aesthetic. The image should be photorealistic, filled with natural light, and vibrant greens, grays, and wood tones. A lush, tropical outdoor patio area with a wooden deck, a cascading water wall, and lush greenery. The deck is made of stained, reddish-brown wooden planks, wet from rain, creating a slightly reflective surface. Lush tropical plants, in various shades of green, are arranged around the patio, including palm trees, ferns, and other foliage. A modern water feature with a dark gray stone wall as a backdrop has cascading water flowing down, creating a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. The water is detailed with streaks and movement.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.